Hey everyone, this is Mike from Michael S. Bell Fine Art. Just got done Suki. Came out here outside in the natural sunlight right behind my apartment. Got a lake back there, so you can probably hear the kids and stuff jumping in the water and having fun. School's out, so that's what they do. But anyways, I'm going to be posting some tips and tricks, tutorials, some videos using the brush and pencil product and on the sanded paper. So watch for those, and I also will be doing some tutorial videos on some smaller stuff using pastels, whether it be Rembrandt or Unison or the pan pastels, any of those, or a combination of all of those. So stay with me, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you would like to be notified, go ahead and hit the little bell, and that'll let you know that I posted a new video every time I do. So thank you for watching, glad to have you here. Let's grab our stuff and get to work.